So far, Richer Every Day has been an amazing experience. I've been able to pay off about half of my debt, which is very exciting. I've held it for quite a while. The mindset shifts and the tools that we've learned around that is incredible. It's already made a huge difference in my world. And not only can you apply it to your financial life, but to basically anywhere in your life that you need some support and help and guidance. Um, the Facebook group is probably my favorite part. Mike pops in there and answers questions, which I think is worth the cost of the course in and of itself. But not only that, we have lots of really wise and really cool people in the group too, that you can pop in and ask questions and get answers fairly quickly, and they're good, intelligent answers from people that they're already pretty well on their way to taking care of their financial situations. And a lot of them are entrepreneurial minded too. Obviously, if you're following Mike, that's kind of where you're coming from. Learning about everything in phase one of the course. We get into a lot of the biological stuff that happens when you're dealing with money related to fear, and just understanding what's literally chemically going on in your body was really useful and enlightening. And it kind of separates it from something that I didn't understand and puts it into context where, okay, this is what's happening in my body. I can logically think about that. I understand why I'm feeling this way. And now I can apply some of the other tools and tactics that Mike shared along with a couple of the people he's brought into the course to share their wisdom as well. So you're getting a heck of a lot more than any other financial course I've ever heard of. And I love how well-rounded it is. I love that there's a focus on many different mediums, such as crypto, mindset, our biology, getting into some other investment opportunities that I think, they aren't all for me, but there's something in there for everyone, I think, and something that we can all align with. So thank you very much, Mike, for putting this together. I've been a huge fan. I've followed you for probably the past 6 years. I've listened to every single podcast, so big fan here. And I highly recommend this program. You're getting way, way more value than the cost of the course. So once again, thank you, and hope to see you in the Facebook group.